Rev up your projects with Cool Dog, the most charismatic Labrador retriever you'll ever meet. This isn't just a 3D model, it's a personality-packed asset ready to inject some serious cool into your games, animations, and virtual experiences. Imagine a world where your players are greeted by Cool Dog, the heart and soul of his own motorcycle repair shop. He's not just a skilled mechanic, he's a true pillar of the community, always ready to lend a pot to those in need and spread positivity wherever he goes. Why you need Cool Dog in your project? Unparalleled Charm. Cool Dog's leather jacket, shades, and confident pose exude an undeniable coolness that will instantly capture the attention of your audience. Engaging backstory. His role as a helpful mechanic and community contributor makes him a character that players will connect with on a deeper level of fostering loyalty and creating memorable experiences. Versatile applications. Whether you're building a bustling city, a gritty biker gang, or a lighthearted adventurer, Cool Dog seamlessly fits into any setting, adding a touch of authenticity and personality. Technical details you can trust. Cool Dog is expertly crafted to deliver outstanding visual quality and optimized performance. Here's what you get: high quality mesh, a meticulously sculpted model that captures every detail of Cool Dog's unique character. Rig body. No, the body is fully rigged for lifelike animations. Hands are not rigged. Optimized topology, designed for smooth deformation and efficient performance in real-time applications.